we've been in a lot. Shake, if you want to go over the last one, this Snap. I know a lot of the members have been in it. And we've been doing very well buying up off of support. And now we're kind of getting into this zone where Snap has been met with some sellers, going back to February, where this kind of 64 to 66 area has been an area where there's been some sellers, and we've been buying up, in this 48 to 54 area. So now as it gets into here, this is now the, almost fifth or sixth time. It's has a much higher probability now of getting through this 64 to 66 area than it did in the past. But we don't, could still get into this area and still be met with resistance, and that's where there's a few different key spots to have a stop if you wanted to continue to hold this, if it wants to continue higher. It just depends on your risk tolerance. So those are some 3 spots, 61, 59, and 56. And again, verse 50 or 48 are much wider areas to give them verse, depending on where you want to trade it. For me personally, I'm looking to hold it at least until the retest of that 73 area before I look to take any profits from the stock that I bought up off of support.